Project work. Topic: Unusual animals. Subject: English. Class 8G. Teacher: Usmanova Jasmina. Prepared by Usmanova Jasmina, Sharafaddinova Gulyora, Olimov Alijon. Presenter: Usmanova Jasmina. Now, I would like to start my presentation. Introduction. Nature is full of wonders and mysteries. There are millions of animal species on Earth, and while some of them look very ordinary, others surprise us with their unusual appearance, behavior, or abilities. In this project, we will talk about unusual animals, which are animals that are different from common species because of their unique characteristic. These animals are not only interesting but also very important for scientific research. They show us how powerful adaptation and evolution can be. Learning about such animals help us understand nature better and appreciate its diversity. First one is axolotl. The axolotl is a very unusual aquatic animal that lives in Mexico. It looks like a small dragon with external gills on the side of its head. The most amazing feature of the axolotl is its ability to recognize lost body parts. It can regrow its legs, tail, and even some internal organs. Another interesting fact is that axolotl stay in its level from for its entire life and never fully become an adult animal. Because of this special ability, scientists study axolotl a lot, especially in medical research. Second one is platypus. The platypus lives in Australia and is considered one of the strangest animals in the world. It has a mix of features from different animals. A dog-like bill, webbed feet, it produces milk, but it lays eggs. What makes it even more unusual is that male platypus have venomous spores on their back leg. When scientists first discovered the platypus, they thought it was fake because it looked so unreal. The third one is ishi. The ishi is a nocturnal animal that lives in Madagascar. Its most unusual feature is its long and thin middle finger, which it uses to find insects inside tree trunk. It taps on the wood and listens for movement, then pulls the insects out. In some local culture, people believe the ishi bring bad luck, so it is often haunted. However, in reality, this animal is very useful for natural because it helps control insect population. The fourth one is maned wolf. The maned wolf lives in South America. Also, it looks like a fox or a wolf. It's actually a different species. Its long legs help it move easily through tall grass. Another unusual thing about the maned wolf is its diet. It is not only a carnivore but also eats fruits and plants. This makes it different from most predatory and very special among wild animals. The fifth one is pangolin. The pangolin is the only mammal in the world covered entirely with hard scales. When it feels threatened, it crawls into a ball to protect itself. Unfortunately, pangolins are one of the most illegally hunted animals in the world. Their scales are wrongly used in traditional medicine. Because of this, pangolins are endangered and protecting them is very important. Conclusion. Unusual animals show us how rich and diverse naturally truly is. Even if an animal looks strange or different, it has an important role in its ecosystem. By learning about these animals, we not only gain knowledge but also understand why we must protect wildlife. Every person has a responsibility to respect nature and help protect rare and unique animals for future generations. Thank you to listen.